In this video, we will talk about the Yardi Voyager Beginner's Guide. So first thing you can do is you can head over to yardi.com. You can hover right here to their products and you can find in here the Yardi Voyager suite, which is actually helping people to elevate operations with market-leading property software. So this is a web-based, fully integrated end-to-end platform with mobile access for larger portfolios to manage operations, execute leasing analytics, and provide innovative resident, tenant, and investor services. So typically, Yardi Voyager 8 is actually a tool for real estate owners that are planning to create a rental property. If you're looking to use this, what we can do is we can head over and then explore it first. You can go over and see this buy market options like commercial, condo, military housing. We also have in here added products for data connect, maintenance, replicate, document management, and the likes. So you can see in here customer success as well as its thing that you can actually help with. So in order to get this, what you can do is you can click on this book a demo option and it will open in here this new tab. With this, you can see this form that will load. Just input right here your details such as your name, job detail, company, email, country and region. Make sure to click on this check right here in order to agree to their privacy statement and head over and click on this book a demo. What this will do is it will connect you to a sales representative of your Voyager, and doing that can actually give you some free trial privileges for you to try out Yardi Voyager. So the first step is asking for a demo and then seeing what it will look like once you're on board with that particular sales representative that they have for there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.